Hi everyone, it's Miss Roig. Today we are going to be talking about the suffix ist, er, or, ist, or. So first we're going to talk about er or So let's look at the word small. Adding an er to it, we get the word smaller. Now, what is the word small? Er can have two different meanings. First meaning is small, a person who. So it could be more small or a person who. Now let's look at the word farm. If we add an er at the end, we get farmer. What does a farmer do? If you're thinking a farmer grows crops, takes care of animals, this would be a person who, farmer. Now let's look at the word teach. Adding er, we get teacher. What does a teacher do? So let's break it down. Our base word is the word teach. If we add an er at the end, we get teach. You have your base word and your suffix. In order to help us spell the word teacher, I can hear the at the end and know that I would place my dot between my base word and my suffix. Let's look at the word player. What's my base? My base word is the word play. While adding a suffix to it is So I have my base word and my suffix. So if I needed help spelling this, if I thought of the word player, I would be able to put my dot in between the base word and the suffix. Now let's look at the word worker. If I didn't know how to spell it, I would need to break it up by base word and suffix. So let's think. What's my base word? What's my suffix? My base word is the word work, while my suffix is So if I was to split it up, I could write my base word and my suffix, putting my dot between my base word and my suffix. To review, a person who are the two definitions of er or Remember, it can be two different meanings, and you have to really look at the word to figure. Now let's talk about a base word with short vowel. Let's take the word swimmer. Now, how do we spell the word swim? S-W-I-M, swim. I is a short vowel. It does not say its name. Swim. So, when we have a word with a short vowel and we're adding a suffix on the end, similar to what we do with ing and ed, you need to add a second consonant on the end. So in this case, we were going to add two, making the word swimmer. But when I break the word by base word and suffix, I still put the dot after the second M. Now let's look at ist and or. Ist and or. Both mean a person who. Let's take the word sailor. Where is my base word? If I am going to break up the word sailor, I know that my base word is sail, and my suffix is or, sail or. And I would place my dot between my base word and my suffix. Now let's look at the word artist. What's my base word? What's my suffix? If I'm going to break it up, I know that art is my base word. And ist is my suffix. An artist is a person who paints or draws. It's a person who. And I would place my dot between my base word and my suffix. So remember, to review, er or can have two different meanings. It can be more or. Let's review ist and or. Ist and or have the meaning of a person who.